What genre are national anthems? Country. You're welcome. We showed you this coop.
Yeah.
Well, chicken tractor. That's what it really is.
Yes, it is.
Because we have the wheels on it. And the chickens love it because they get to go eat food every day. In the old coop, they didn't.
Yeah, we couldn't move it around.
Other than what we brought.
Yeah.
Now we can just move it and they can eat clove all day. So they're super happy.
Yeah.
It's pretty hot out, so they've been hanging out underneath. We added some hay bales around it just to give them extra shade too. But we upgraded it already.
Yeah.
So it's really cool and we want to show you.
Yeah. So the upgrade is an automatic door. So that way if we're out and once it gets like to dark, it'll automatically shut. And in the morning, if we happen to sleep in, it'll automatically open, letting them out first thing in the morning. So that's really cool. Let's check it out. So this here is the control box for the automatic door. So the batteries are in behind here and all the wires and stuff are plugged in. You can also add a solar panel to this to just recharge it. We don't have that at the moment, but so once you set it on a timer, the door will automatically open and close on its own, but we haven't done that yet. So what you do is you just hold the OK button until it opens and or closes if you want to do it manually. So that noise is it opening. So I'm opening the door again. You can see it from the opposite end. So that's what it looks like inside the coop. So the door does have a sensor, so if a chicken's like halfway in between, it won't shut on it, which is really good. So the automatic door can also be implemented into an existing coop, a homemade coop, any coop that you already have, or into the fencing. You can actually cut the fence, insert it in there, and have it so that they run in and out of their fence with the automatic door. So that's really cool. It doesn't actually have to go on the omelet igloo. It can be used on anything. The other wire here is actually a light for inside the coop. So that's really awesome that you can have a light, you can have a heater attached through here, and then the sensor for the door. Pretty cool. So this here is the light. Again, just pressing and holding in the battery box. And I'll shut it off. So here's an up close view of the controls. If I want to turn the light on, I was just holding this button. Light on, see it tells you. Shut it off. It's off now. When opening and closing the door, it's this one, and that locks it. So closing. Oh. Also, you can check your battery life right there. That again to lock the door. Not going to do that. I'm just going to reopen it so they can go in when they want. So you can set these controls all your own personal settings, pick your times and everything. We will do that, we just haven't done it yet. So we want them to just get comfortable in there first before we do all that.
So it's pretty easy to set up, and we already had the coop together when we did it. So it still wasn't that hard. Just had to take a couple screws out just to rearrange it to now have the auto door in there. The old door is still on there too, and it still works, like you can still move it. If there's something wrong with the auto door for some reason, you can still use the manual door if the battery's died or whatever. These cords literally just come right out through a spot that's already there in this. So that's super easy. Just tied them up there and then you just set that hooked onto there. There's other options they have. You can check all that out. We'll put the link below so you can go check out everything about this coop and the door and all that stuff. There's a bunch of different options they have with the coop and with the door and stuff, so that's cool. It's really cool. The main thing that we love about it is using it as a chicken tractor, because now we can just roll it all over the place. And for days that we're not going to be back, now with this auto door, it can just close. And we don't have to worry about them being open to predators or anything. Let's move them.
Yeah. At least a bit. That's where I want to put the tractor, was right where you threw the hay bale.
Over that way?
Yeah, I think so.
I was just going to pull it forward.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because there's still, like, there's a pretty good patch there.
Yeah, that is
Maybe
true.
we'll do that and then we'll swing him back the other way tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Lots of space for you guys.
All right, let's go for a drive.
What do you think, girls?
Yeah, I know, right?
You ain't having it. Rip the dang door off.
I know, right?
Ah! We're all gonna die! Look it! How fun is that? And the green grass grew all around, and the green grass grew all around.
Yell at us, say.
Yeah. As they're shoving their face with it. Yummers!
They're like, sweet. Up on a little bit of a thing.
Yeah.
You're gonna throw a hay bale in that corner.
Yeah,
I'll just
right.
carry these hay bales around
Good idea.
just to kind of hold down any side because we have such uneven ground.
Yeah, totally, eh? And it provides a little shade for the monkeys.
Any other high spots? Oh, looks pretty decent. They have these too, eh? Look, this here attached on here.
Yeah.
That's just a piece to keep that strong when you're moving it, so it doesn't like flop all down.
Oh, that's
There's a
good.
couple like on each side.
Oh, he's so happy. Yes, you are. Clover for days.
Another thing too, like we only ever plan on having 6 at a time because we don't, 6 eggs is like perfect for us. We don't sell eggs or nothing, it's just for us. So this is like the perfect size
Yeah.
because we won't, if we ever expanded and got more chickens for some reason, we just put them in our own coop, but
Yep.
6 is
Easy to maintain.
plenty, right? And we always had plenty of eggs. You'd end
That's
up with a
true.
surplus even.
Yeah, we
And that's
did.
with eating, you know, decent amount.
Yep.
We don't really bake much.
No.
That's so,
Mostly just
but we eat
them.
eggs every day. Maybe this front piece, eh?
Yeah, right there in the corner or something.
That's easy enough.
Yeah.
I love this thing.
It's pretty cool.
For us,
For sure.
like for us, it's deadly, eh?
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah. And the main thing is they love it. They're super happy. Fresh clove every day. Can't beat that, eh, ladies? They just love it, eh, when you move them.
It's happy as pie.
Well, there it is. Everybody's happy.
Yeah. And again, it wasn't very hard to put any of it together. It comes with tons of instructions. good
Yeah, it was easy.
instructions.
Yeah, pretty
Yeah.
straightforward.
Yeah, it is.
The hardware's all good, strong stuff. It's all made pretty well, right? So that's cool. That coop, that'd probably last forever, that thing.
Yeah.
It's not going to rot or nothing, right?
No, so it's
So-
awesome.
Yeah, we love it. And, you know, obviously you can pull that door, let them free range and that too, right? So that's what we used to do, is let them run around.
Yeah.
Without the rooster,
It's not a smart, really.
we did it, like we lost a
Couple of
couple to a fox over a couple months at least. But
Yeah.
once we had the rooster, it was really good to go.
Yeah.
Just if we ever had a rooster, we'd have to keep him in the other place, but because this wouldn't be made for that. But this is perfect for now. Man, they're happy. So, you know, it's awesome.
Yeah. All right, well, see you in the next one.
See ya.